Article 187 of the Indian Constitution, Secretariat of the State Legislature deals with. It deals with the state government. Let's see the next question. The Indian Constitution has been divided into dash parts at the time of commencement. It has been divided into 22 parts at the time of commencement. It had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. Next one. Who is elected as the head of Gram Panchayat? The Panchayat is chaired by the president of the village known as Sarpanch. He is president of the village. Next question. How many Indian states have female chief ministers currently? We have only one female chief minister in India now. She is from West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Which of the following Indian presidents served the longest in office? Dr. Rajendra Prasad has served the longest in the office. He was basically a lawyer from Bihar. And the first president of independent India. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to. It is related to Panchayat Raj. It envisages the Gram Sabha as the foundation of Panchayat Raj system to perform functions and powers entrusted to it by the state legislature. Which state of India has made rainwater harvesting compulsory for all the houses? Tamil Nadu state of India has made rainwater harvesting compulsory for all the houses in the year 2003. Friends, Crack is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website crack.in and download these papers for your reference and better practice. Let's see the next question. Which article in the Constitution of India empowers the President of India to promulgate ordinances when the Parliament is in recess? Article 123 of Indian Constitution empowers the President of India to promulgate ordinances when the Parliament is in recess, and when both houses of the Parliament are absent for the session, then the President of India promulgate ordinances. Let's see the next question. Who generally presents the finance budget in Indian Parliament? Finance Minister generally presents finance budget in the Indian Parliament. Don't get confused between Finance Minister and Finance Secretary here. Which of the following schemes is launched to make cities free from slums? Rajiv Awas Yojana has been launched to make free from slums. The then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh told that we have taken a major step for our poor brothers and sisters living in cities. We have approved the Rajiv Awas Yojana, said the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh.
We at Crack provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Let's see the next question. Under the restructured National Rural Livelihood Mission, SCs and STs will account for a minimum of 50% of financial assistance, and minorities will comprise 15% of financial assistance. Let's see the next question. Who has the final authority for making laws in India? Parliament has the final authority for making laws in India. Union budget and railway budget of India were merged in which year? They were merged in the year 2017. In 2017, central government has merged the railway budget with union budget, thus ending the practice that started in the year 1924 when the country was under British rule. Call sign of any aircraft carrying the Indian president is. The call sign of any aircraft carrying the Indian president is Air India 1, and only IAF pilots will be flying the two new aircraft for Prime Minister, President and Vice President. Where is the objective of social justice in Constitution in India? It is in Article 15. Friends, Crack is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website crack.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do check out these mocks. Let's see the next question. Who among the following is addressed as the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President is addressed as the chairman of Rajya Sabha. The present Vice President is Venkaiah Naidu. How many members were there in the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? There were 7 members in the drafting committee of Indian Constitution. They are Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, the next one is N. Gopala Swamy, next one is K. M. Munshi, the other one is Muhammad Sadullah, and the next one is B. L. Mittar, the other one is D. P. Kaitan, and the last one is B. R. Ambedkar. These are the 7 people, those were in the drafting committee of Indian Constitution. Let's see the next question. 7th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. The 7th schedule of Constitution of India deals with distribution of power between union and the states. It has 3 lists: union list, concurrent list, and state list. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following related to the advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? President of India seeks opinion on law or facts is related to the advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited is now owned by which of the following industrial houses? It is owned by Tata Group of Industries. Let's see the next question. A new chapter related to panchayats has been added in the part 15 of the Indian Constitution. Which among the following is not a part of this? Elections of panchayats is under the Central Election Commission is not among the part of this. Friends, Crack is providing SSC CHSL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website crack.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mocks. Please do check out these mocks. The minimum age limit for the membership of Vidhan Parishad is. The minimum age limit for the membership of Vidhan Parishad is 30 years. Which of the following states is a major producer of sugar in India? Uttar Pradesh is the major producer of sugar in India. After Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra is the major producer of sugar in India. In which union territory the Panchayat Raj system does not exist? In Delhi, Panchayat Raj system does not exist. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. For any queries and for any suggestions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you.